Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? Welcome back to the Nigerian Nomad channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. So today, it's a beautiful day in Ogun State, Nigeria. We're in a small rural community close to Abeokuta here. So if you guys remember the video from last time, we came to explore the areas where people are having a desperate need for water. Let me just show you guys a small clip of that and then we'll come back. Okay. So they are saying, just to translate from Yoruba to English. So this is the source of water. So typically neighborhoods like this, they rely on rain a lot. So whenever it's rainy season, water is here. And then when it's dry season, the water kind of dissipates. And what she's saying is they sometimes have to dig to get water. So we're actually in the water source here. So I see some water that flows here, but the flow is very poor now. So this is what they used to drink, take a bath and all that stuff. So definitely one thing that's striking is they have a lot of population, but very poor infrastructure, road, light, water. We'll hopefully able to help them with at least one.
The reason why they are having this problem is this. Look at this.
Yeah.
This is what we call outcrop. Now, beneath the heart, at certain depth, we get to have this. Now, the depth to which we get it now varies. There are places where you would drill or dig, say 10, 15, 20, 30 meters, you might not get to this. So, and there are places where they are, before you strike the ground twice, you already get to them. Now, for this kind of environment, is a bit below the middle class family, settings. Yeah. So, the cost of drilling such rock to get to water is quite high. Yep. So what they leverage on most of the time is to dig the hand-dug well, and put rings. So the problem is, before they drill 2, 3, 4, 5 rings, they already get to this. So and if they introduce dynamite to blast and all that, there's a little to what those things can achieve in terms of depth. So that reduces their ability to get water or to afford one. Yeah. So and even if they get one, it won't last long. It won't last long. So that's how the geology has narrowed their ability to get water here.
I discover wípé àwọn àjàkálẹ̀ àrùn gan ó ti ń wọlé. Most of àwọn ọmọ kékèké, that's number 1. Number 2 ni wípé àwọn ọmọ wa táṣọ wọn bá dọ̀tí. Ó débi pé nígbà tí wọ́n rómi fọṣọ débi pé wọ́n máa ń dirty lọ sí school. That's number 2. Number 3 ni wípé there is a cough and many things. Bacteria látara omi tí wọ́n mu yẹn náà, so yẹn náà ó affect wa. Even when you see it like this, you have a bungalow house. During the dry season, we can't use any water to build our house. We can wait till the rain season to build our house. That one is another challenge. So we have a lot of challenges for that water. So many things. It's more than that.
Yes, I'm sure. Yes.
Even by 9 o'clock they are still in the stream
trying to get water
before we go to school. Okay.
All right guys, welcome back. So we are now back in that community of the video that you guys just watched, and there has been progress. Progress made so far is that they've actually dug the borehole and they've reached water, and we have successfully accomplished probably the most important step of this process. Wow, that's cool.
So
all right, so let's finalize. So here, I just want to visually see the the stations where we put it. So now, so far, this is here, and you have finalized this. The stanchion will be going here.
yeah, the vacuum will stay.
Okay, and there's enough setback from it from the road, so it doesn't have to be moved.
Yes.
Okay.
So we'll slap this.
So stanchion, solar panel.
Fetching point will stay here.
Fetching
One
point.
fetching point will stay here.
Okay.
One of it.
And the solar panel would also be here.
Solar panel will be here too.
We use the stanchion as the solar panel. You multitask that one?
Yes.
Okay, all right, cool. So the next step now is to build stanchions. Those things that you elevate up and put a tank above, and we're gonna have a 10,000 liter water tank up there. Now the challenge with this community is that it's a huge community. We're probably talking over 600 people, and they all have these small villages. So we're just trying to brainstorm, like, where is the place to put the borehole, and how do we redirect the water to the different communities? So we're coming up with a new idea that I haven't explored before. So we're gonna have this big one tank in the highest elevation, and we're gonna have it supply 2 or 3 areas that all the communities can benefit from. So right now, let's pick a point for the borehole. Where would you say that is? The point that we just drilled.
You know, there's no way on that we can get that exact
Yes.
point.
Okay.
So we went to the extreme here.
Okay.
Yeah, somewhere.
So I'm gonna put this. So this would be where the borehole is.
Exactly.
Okay. So now that first fetching stand is going to be like in front of it. So this is the first fetching stand.
That's right.
And fetching stand is where we typically fetch water from. All right. Where would be the next fetching stand?
We are looking at somewhere close.
Somewhere here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we think like that. People from around here, around here, around here, around here can concentrate on this.
Okay.
While people from outside here, this way,
Can focus on that. Okay. The only challenge that I'm seeing here, we kind of have 2 options of how we can go about this. So I know this is going to cost a bit more money, but I wonder if we can have another fetching stand here.
It's not impossible. It's not impossible. You can move forward this place so that it can serve better purpose.
But
So that people coming from here can easily access without going here or here.
okay, I'll just need to ascertain through the drone shots to see if there are actually communities here.
Around there,
You said there's houses, population here. A lot of them, okay. All right, let's go check out the other station. And then we'll head out. We can actually, can we walk it?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the extreme end right now here. Okay.
There's a mosque. Houses get here first.
So you feel like there's a neighborhood there?
Here inward. I have flown drone to see, the volume of people on this axis and this.
Okay,
There are a lot
okay,
of houses.
How far deep is this place? Or is it just like 50 meters in? Okay.
I mean,
It's very
just
far.
like
Okay. All right, we'll keep walking and then we'll... That intersection is further down, right?
no,
Past
just
that
like
bridge.
the bridge there.
Okay. And it's past the bridge, right?
So this is where I'm considering this.
Okay.
So I mean,
This is where it was on.
not that junction to be here.
Okay. I understand.
Normally, people
Unless we put another one there. But let's keep. Yeah, it's not too far.
The beginning was okay.
But let's walk. Let me see how far it is, Sean.
This is the lowest point.
Yeah, I can see it going back up already. Okay. So neighborhoods are back there too.
Yes.
there are more than 300 people there. You know, we passed through the other side,
Yes,
the other
went
thing to
there.
go to where we saw a stone, a rock inside the.
Well,
Wow.
So right now you're anticipating those people will come there.
yes.
Okay. But right now what we have projected was 2, but I think we might need 1 more to the other extreme of the community. Anyways guys, so that's what we're doing. I just wanted to come here, share an update for you guys that have invested in the project, that has donated money in the project. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm going to personally reach out to you guys. This is very helpful. Thanks for being a part of this movement. If you're interested in still donating and being a part of this project, I will post the payment information underneath this video below. And if you want to request any documentation expenses, let me know. I'm very transparent and I'm very open. So yeah, that is the project, and I am excited to come back here. Hopefully we'll be celebrating the next time you guys see me here. So I just wanted to jump on here and give you guys an update of how the project is going so far. And I hope that you guys are doing well. And lastly, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.